Hello dear friends, welcome to Sharp Digital Library Koshikala located at Nandagam Road near Hanuman Temple. Friends, today we have ordered Blue Star 3 AC. Out of them, 2 are window AC and capacity is 1.5 ton, and third one is split AC and capacity is again 1.5 ton, and these all three ACs are non-inverter AC and these are 3 stars AC, and these ACs are being installed in our library hall where we have the capacity of 46 seats where 46 students can sit together and enjoy the study in a cool and calm atmosphere. And the third here the two ACs are being installed, and as you can see the installation work is going on, and this work is going on 13th of March, and AC will be started from the 1st of April. And those who are seeking for a cool atmosphere on the lowest price and with high qualities and services, self-study digital library, so they may reach to us and they can contact us. We are offering these facilities only by paying rupees 800 per month for 12 hours every day. And beside the ACs we have 7 ceiling fans inside this hall, separate two washroom, one for gents and second for girls. And there are two internet connections. The first is Airtel high speed 5G, and its speed is approx 200 Mbps, and second one is Net Plus and its speed is also 220 Mbps, and unlimited connection, unlimited data, power backup, and soon the solar panel is also going to be installed. That will be helpful for us and for the students to get the educations if there is any electricity fluctuations or power cut, so that cannot make any difference on the students study because the solar will supply them regular uncut power for running ACs, fan and other electronic appliances. And I would like to speak you again, we are also going to start a private and a small cabin or a room for a self-study library where the capacity of seats are 18, and this is high luxury in comparison to this hall. There will be one window AC non-inverter in that hall, and that video of that room will be available soon because right now the work is ongoing, and by 15th of April that everything will be finished and admissions will be open for that space and separate and library. Now I would like to speak you, in that library you will enjoy dual internet and cafeteria, separate washroom and revolving hydraulic chair and lighting for each and every cabin. So if you are willing such kind of facilities for the library for self study purpose, so do not waste your time here and there, just come and contact us. We provide you this facility round the clock, means the library is open 24 hours. You can come and join at any time. We are having parking facility and restroom also there for the students who are tired of studying and they want to get a rest for some time, so there is a separate room for that and you can take some nap there, and after that you can re-study. And RO drinking water facilities available for all the students, and these cabins are equipped with lockers, and the lockers are not chargeable. Every locker is free for the students, and pin board is also attached with each and every seat. There you can see in our next video, and the room is also closed with a door, and there is a special pantry house where students just sit and can take their lunch and can take the a little small break also. And on the roof terrace there is also a spacious place where students can go for getting the fresh air and enjoy the view of the city and greenery outside. And a lot of parking of lot is available which is free of charges, and CCTV cameras are installed for the security purpose and for the security surveillances, You need not worry. This academy is completely registered, and pin drop silence atmosphere and culture is there. And we invite all kind of candidates who are preparing for academic exam, entrance exam, and any kind of competitive exam or any other professional courses who are not able to afford the study outside, and they want to go for the self study at their home. So this place will be better for all of them. And another facility is that PNG gas pipeline is also serviced here, and the connection has been taken. If any student is uh, feeling tired or wants to get make the tea, so it will be available for them, and refrigerator facility will be also given to them for drinking cold water and keeping their milk and water, fruits cool inside of the refrigerator. And if they want to make the tea, so that option will be also available, but it will be chargeable. So this video has been prepared for that purpose. If any student around Koshikala or in Koshikala looking for the best library, so no library can beat the Sharp Digital Library in terms of fee, facilities, discipline, rules, regulations, atmosphere, culture, and everything. Once you visit us, one day demo or trial class is completely free, which is not chargeable. You just come, join, study one day, and see everything is up to mark. Once you are satisfied, you can further go for the rest of formalities like filling the admissions form and taking your admissions, making the payment, and continue the services. Hope you enjoyed it and you would like to this video and this work which is going on. And hope soon you will visit to our academy for getting that kind of educations or for self study purpose. And you may contact or reach us on the contact number 8265890068. Another contact number is 9997115268. Now I mention the address of this library. This library is located at Kosi Nandgaon Road, at nearby Tisputa Road, near Krishan Dham Colony, beside Hanuman Shiv Temple. And if you face any problem, so please contact to us on the said numbers as earlier I have told you or informed you. And the number also will be given in the last of this video in descriptions with mentioning the address. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Hope you will visit and come to join us. Have a great time. Nice to see you all there. Thank you.
करता जाता अपने आप।
ये हम बाहर की तरफ बढ़ो और अंदर की तरफ छोटो ही लियो है ना, बाहर की तरफ छोटो अंदर के बाहर बढ़ो। हैं
पार्टी कर। क्या बोलूँ